In the ever-evolving world of robotics, few machines capture the imagination quite like the Motoman SDA-10, a dual-arm industrial robot developed by Yaskawa Electric Corporation. While primarily designed for tasks like assembly and material handling, this versatile automaton gained fame for its unexpected culinary prowess, most notably demonstrated at the 2008 International Next Generation Robot Fair in Osaka, Japan. There, it cooked okonomiyaki, a savory Japanese pancake, flipping it with precision and serving it to astonished onlookers. Standing at 135 centimeters, 4.5 feet, tall and weighing 220 kilograms, 485 pounds, the SDA-10 is a far cry from the sleek, humanoid chefs of science fiction. Yet, its ability to wield kitchen utensils, take orders via speech recognition, and execute complex cooking tasks showcases a remarkable fusion of industrial engineering and everyday utility. How does this mechanical marvel transform from a factory worker into a robotic chef? Let's dive into the details of its design, operation, and the technology that makes it tick. Design and physical structure. The Motoman SDA-10's physical form is a testament to Yaskawa's expertise in robotic engineering. Unlike single-arm robots, the SDA-10 boasts two articulated arms, each equipped with 7 axes of motion, plus an additional axis in its torso for base rotation, totaling 15 degrees of freedom. This configuration mimics human flexibility, allowing it to perform intricate tasks that require coordination between both hands. Each arm can handle a payload of up to 10 kilograms, 22 pounds, making it robust enough to lift kitchen tools, ingredients, or even heavier industrial components. Its compact footprint, designed to operate in confined spaces, means it can fit behind a counter or workstation without dominating the area. The robot's arms are engineered with patented servo actuators, and all wiring and air lines are routed internally through the arms, reducing clutter and enhancing durability. This sleek, utilitarian design, painted in a utilitarian white with black accents, prioritizes function over flash, but its capabilities extend far beyond its industrial aesthetic. For cooking, the SDA-10 swaps out standard grippers for specialized tools like spatulas or tongs, tailored to handle delicate tasks like flipping pancakes or assembling sandwiches. Core technology: motors, sensors, and control systems. At the heart of the Motoman SDA-10's operation lies a sophisticated blend of motors, sensors, and control systems. Each of its 15 joints is powered by high-precision servo motors, which provide the torque and accuracy needed for both heavy lifting and delicate maneuvers. These motors are synchronized by the DX100 controller, a powerful system capable of managing up to 72 axes across multiple robots, though the SDA-10 uses just 15. The DX100 acts as the robot's brain, processing commands and coordinating movements with millisecond precision. For sensory input, the SDA-10 relies on a combination of 4 sensors, encoders, and, in its cooking demonstrations, speech recognition technology. 4 sensors in the arms detect resistance, allowing the robot to adjust its grip, crucial when handling fragile eggs or flipping a pancake without tearing it. Encoders track the position of each joint, ensuring every motion is executed as programmed. The speech recognition system, while not a standard feature, was integrated for the Osaka demo, enabling the robot to interpret verbal orders like "make me an okonomiyaki," translating them into actionable tasks. This synergy of hardware and software transforms the SDA-10 into a responsive, adaptable machine. Programming the culinary choreography. How does a robot designed for factory floors learn to cook? The answer lies in its programming, a meticulous process that blends preset routines with real-time adaptability. For the SDA-10 to prepare okonomiyaki, engineers at Yaskawa crafted a detailed sequence of movements, essentially a digital recipe. This begins with the robot retrieving ingredients, pre-measured and placed within reach, mixing them in a bowl, pouring the batter onto a hot plate, and flipping the pancake at the right moment. Each step is broken into discrete actions, programmed into the DX100 controller using Yaskawa's proprietary Inform language, a robotic programming syntax that allows for precise control over joint angles, speeds, and timing. For example, flipping the pancake requires a swift wrist rotation, calculated to apply just enough force to lift and turn the food without sending it flying. In some demonstrations, the SDA-10 was also taught to adapt to variables, like the thickness of the batter, using feedback from its sensors to adjust cooking time or pressure. This programming isn't static. The robot can be reprogrammed for different dishes, as seen in later showcases where it assembled egg sandwiches, proving its versatility extends beyond a single recipe. The cooking process, step-by-step breakdown. Let's walk through how the Motoman SDA-10 cooks okonomiyaki, a process that highlights its mechanical ingenuity. First, the robot receives an order, either via a verbal command or a pre-programmed cue. Its speech recognition software, if engaged, processes the request and triggers the cooking subroutine. The SDA-10's left arm might grab a bowl while the right picks up a spatula, demonstrating its dual-arm coordination. Ingredients like flour, eggs, cabbage, and water, pre-positioned by a human assistant, await in designated spots. The robot cracks an egg, a task it performs with surprising delicacy, thanks to 4 sensors, mixes the batter with rhythmic stirs, and pours it onto a heated griddle. Temperature isn't monitored by the robot itself. The cooking surface is preset to an optimal 180 to 200 degrees Celsius, 356 to 392 degrees Fahrenheit, typical for okonomiyaki. After a calculated wait, say, 90 seconds, the SDA-10 slides its spatula under the pancake, lifts, and flips it with a flick of its wrist, a motion honed through trial and error during programming. Once cooked, it plates the dish, sometimes adding condiments like soy sauce or mayonnaise with a separate tool. The entire process, from batter to plate, takes about 5 minutes, a deliberate pace that prioritizes precision over speed. Adaptability and tooling. One of the SDA-10 standout features is its adaptability, made possible by interchangeable end effectors, tools attached to its arms. In its cooking role, these might include spatulas, tongs, or even a ladle, each designed to slot into the robot's wrist via a quick-change coupling system. This modularity allows it to switch from flipping pancakes to assembling a camera or packing boxes, all within minutes. For culinary tasks, Yaskawa engineers often equip it with robotic universal grippers, which offer adjustable fingers for grasping irregular objects like bread or eggs. This flexibility is key to its kitchen success. Unlike a single-purpose appliance, the SDA-10 can tackle diverse recipes with the right programming and tools. In a 2015 demonstration, it prepared an egg sandwich, cracking eggs, toasting bread, and stacking ingredients, showing how its industrial-grade precision translates to domestic tasks. However, it's not fully autonomous. Humans must still load ingredients and set up the workspace, a limitation that underscores its roots as a collaborative robot rather than a standalone chef.